He's the fastest player in the game, but as we've seen over the course of his career, Tyreek Hill is about so much more than just straight line speed. And once again, his dynamic playmaking ability was on full display in a variety of ways against the Raiders. I'm Matt McMullen, and this is the Inside Scoop presented by Tostitos. The Chiefs dropped a tough one on Sunday, but one of the bright spots was Hill's performance. He racked up 93 yards on just 6 touches and scored his 5th touchdown of the year, joining Mike Evans and Dalvin Cook as the only players in the NFL to find the end zone in every game this season. Let's take a quick look at 3 plays on Sunday that each demonstrated what makes Hill such a dynamic playmaker. We'll start with this 58-yard touchdown grab that was wiped away due to a penalty, but Hill's effort here to haul in this pass despite double coverage is still worth pointing out. Hill is also effective out of the backfield, as we saw a little later in the game. 10 yards from the end zone, Hill took an end around to the edge, ran right by Raiders defender Max Crosby, and cut between 2 blocks for the touchdown. It's one thing to fly by defenders on a go route, but Hill reached a top speed of 19.94 miles per hour here while navigating blocks. The guy is ridiculous. Lastly, Hill made a tremendous catch down the sideline early in the second quarter, reaching out to grab the ball while somehow getting both feet in bounds. The awareness there to adjust and get his left foot just barely inside the field of play is what separates a good receiver from a great receiver, and Hill is without question not only one of the best receivers in the game today, but one of the top playmakers the league has to offer. Be the MVP of your tailgate with Tostitos.